depths of silence, where no man watches, they were formed. Forged in obscurity, trained in the waters, refined in the fire, now they rise. These are kingdom operatives, amphibious warriors, apostolic builders, priestly kings. They fight not for fame, but for territory, to reclaim what was lost, to restore what was stolen. They are the king's vanguard, taking back cities, companies, generations, walking boldly in the dominion mandate. This is your charge, to rise, rebuild, rule. You are called to emerge.
We have a visual on enemy paratroopers in gray product uniform 5-9er.